Got your own candid camera.
I know, right? I gotta make my shine in the moment.
I'm not being very candid though. Oh yeah. He's working it over.
There you go.
Jeez, oh, yes, that's a big one. Dang.
Gotta get him back.
He came ready to play this morning.
Oh, he did.
There you go.
Oh, baby.
You got
I hope
7?
you ain't getting one of these.
8? I saw it.
Dang.
You caught that fish. That was a legal catch, by the way. Okay? That was a good catch.
Shoot. God, this is big.
As soon as you get to that leader, we'll be getting close. Yep, there's the leader.
It's huge. Look at it.
Yeah, there he comes.
Oh my God.
That's a red snapper. A stud. That knot's got you. You shake your rod tip. There you go.
Oh, you crossed the line.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
Do your
gosh,
rod tip
look at
down.
him.
Okay.
Bring that over here, sweetie. Bring that line this way. Bring that line to me.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, he's spinning all in it. Yeah. Just bring him in. We'll get him off.
Awesome.
Holy moly. Whoa.
Awesome.
Good grace.
Send the signal.
That's that cigarette.
Come on, fish.
There you go.
There we go.
Don't hurt your hand.
Yeah, that should do
That's
it.
it. Oh, ha! What I did?
Double header.
You there?
Well, and they still didn't put it in your mouth all the way.
Did you put him out all the way?
Nope.
They got it far enough though.
Are there mermaids out here?
No, not this time of
got
the
it.
year.
Oh my God.
Mermaids like it warmer, so usually in the summertime.
Is this a thing of mermaids?
No.
Is there?
No.
you again. I got you.
Oh, you got a big old red snapper. That's funny. Look how big that thing is. I want to get you a picture with him.
Well, it's big. It's a red snapper. It looks like. Come on, baby dog.
Coming.
Yeah, he's big.
Look there.
Come on, go stand in front of Daddy. Come here in front of Daddy. And you.
Oh my
Holy
God.
moly!
Oh
No,
my
come on,
God,
baby, you got it. Fight it. No, you fight it.
Get that rod up off the boat if
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can.
get right off the boat. And then when you.
I can't even
Yeah, you
reel
can.
it.
Yeah,
I
you
can't.
can. Go. Reel. I'm going to push up while you go. Go. Go.
We got to come this way and get him off that.
Stand right to the right.
Yeah, there you go.
Put it under your arm,
Let that-
baby.
let
Oh
that-
my God, he's going to be big.
Yeah.
Jesus, my wrist hurt from.
No, do it, baby. You're bringing this one in. And let me get a picture of her.
Oh my God, it's like about to
Oh, he's gonna be. Hold on to him, baby. Oh, you told me to work out. Let me get a workout.
There he comes. Look at that.
But she is huge.
Yep.
Holy!
That's good. Don't reel
Mackerel.
anymore.
Oh my God.
That's good. Don't reel anymore.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Come here, get a picture of this thing, baby.
Oh my God. I don't even know if I can hold it. I can't hold it.
Let's let him down.
Okay.
I'll hold it for you while we get a picture together with it.
Okay.
I see color. He's a nice one.
Hold it right there.
Oh,
Right
Lord.
Keep coming. A little more.
Come on, come on.
That's good.
Hold right there. Don't what's this?
Well, he's been caught before.
Look at there.
Face is all boogered up.
Got that. I got that Elmer Fudd.
Uh-huh. There's one of those snapper that they said died that don't.
Keep on working. What, you pulling? Huh?
Yep.
I think it might be close when we start letting you see him, Chad. You know.
Yeah. I still can't see nothing yet.
I want her to see the fish coming up.
Okay.
That's
Yeah, okay. I see a little color now, but we still got a little ways to go.
Keep coming, baby. Keep coming. Yeah, look over the side. Look over the
Okay.
side.
Come on,
Look
she
down
can start seeing him now.
there. Look down there. Look down there. Go look over the side. I got your fish for you.
Look,
Go look over the
okay.
side. Look at that. Oh, how's that?
Big.
Uh-huh. Look at that, baby. Pull that muscle, girl.
Bring your fingers in and shake the bait.
Wait a minute. Right there. Now go for it.
You know what the big ones do.
I hear that groaning. Come on, let's get him. You got him? Babe, stick your tongue out, you might bite it off. You coming? There you go. Let's go get that little big fish. He's ripping you up. He's coming though, slow but sure. Oh, get that muscle go right. There you go. Now come. There you go. Get a couple turns. He's gonna buck right there. See him? He coming. He's not quite there yet. Here comes the clear line. Give her a turn. Give her a turn. Okay, you look over the side just a minute. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Don't let him get off.
Can't see him yet.
Keep coming.
All right, there he comes.
Keep coming. Okay, look over the side. Look over the side.
Oh, that's a nice one.
There. Look at that thing.
I feel like I just got that one.
Oh, look at there. Hold on, Jeff.
Good job.
Good job.
Oh my
Lord.
god. Oh my god.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby.
Is there strain? We got strain?
Look at me, baby.
Oh my god.
Right there.
Oh,
That's
my
good. That's good. That's
God.
good. That's a nice fish. Real nice one.
Ooh, it's strong.
Hey, Chad.
Got big.
Woo!
What's this? Big?
Woo!
That one, I got this one.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at it.
You gotta take a picture of it, baby.
Look at that.
Wow. Let's compare. Who got the
They
bigger
pick it
one?
back it up.
This one's bigger.
Whoa! He's working it, ain't he? Ooh-wee. He's down on this thing. You get serious with this thing.
Oh yeah, he's a good one.
Yeah.
It don't tear his coat.
Damn, boy.
Swallowed it. Another nice bass. Look at there, what a bass there, boy.
Oh yeah, that one's nice. I
Man.
hope he stayed on my hook.
You gonna double hand it? There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. There's the gold. There's the magic line right there. See it? Here it comes. A little bit further. There you go. Come on.
I can barely see color. You got him coming in the right direction.
Keep coming, baby. Keep coming. Keep coming. There you go. You keep coming.
Doing good.
He should be coming right there.
She's gonna be ready for another lunch break.
There he comes right there. Go look
Yep.
at him. Go look at him. Go look at him. I got him. Go look at him. There. See him there? Look at that thing. Oh, ho, ho. You got it. Yeah, baby. Oh.
Holy moly. That is a big one. Don't let that thing whoop you. Don't let it whoop you. Get on it.
She's gonna put the squat on it, boy.
Get on that. Get on there.
Bad, you gotta put your whole body into
Yeah, I
it.
know, it's bad, isn't it? Oh my God, he's big.
You take this one right here. Take this one. You ready?
Lift up on it.
There he comes.
Now, by yourself.
I see some color. It's a nice one.
By yourself. Okay.
That's good. Just lift the rod tip to me.
Dang.
It's heavy. Those things are heavy.
Yeah, they are. She almost thought about it. She's like, okay, sounds good to me. Dang, baby.
I got the hook set on that one.
Yeah, she does.
I figured it wasn't gonna take her long.
Dang, baby.
I had to get warmed up this morning.
You got warmed up pretty good.
Figure out the
Ah,
eyes.
these fish are strong.
It's a nice bass. I'm telling you.
They're real chunky.
Pulses.
Oh my god.
He doesn't want to give up.
I know. Oh, it better be a big one.
Come on, come over her. Come under him. Yep, they'll change places for now.
I know, you trying to see what's oh my God.
He snuck in there, didn't
Woo-wee, look how big that bad boy is.
he? Yeah, that's a nice one. That's good.
Jesus.
Oh, man.
Man. Woo! That is a big one. Right through the nose.
Yeah, let's see what this other one's gonna be.
Lip ring.
I see some color.
Okay, but, oh.
There it
Got
comes.
one too, baby.
Yeah.
Little red snapper.
Look at that. Another good one.
Oh, yours is way bigger, huh?
Oh, they just nibbled on it.
Oh, nice.
Christ, this is big.
Yep,
That's
get him away from that bottom. Lift him up and then reel down. There you go. Once you get him up, you're good. They'll try to swim in those holes on you. He's pouring it on him, son.
Damn. That's a big one. Boy, he went around right here.
That's why I've been doing this one all day.
Oh, yeah. You got him?
Huh? You good? Is he sounding off on you? Oh, look at him run. Hang on. Ooh, look at him go.
That's a good one.
He's a bending it, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Go get him. There we go.
She's cranking him in a lot easier with that reel, huh?
Yeah, it's moving a lot better for her.
That boat?
I got it. Come on, baby. Keep coming. You got it.
I
You
can
working.
barely see color. Doing good. Keep coming. Look more. That's good.
How about that? Got you. I was gonna get it. There you go. Look at there. Look at there. Where you going? Come here. Stand right here. Stand right here with us. There you go. How's that?